There was damage. Hollow dirt. By the way. Hey, there it is. There's a tornado. There it is. There it is. There it is. You're good.
Beautiful dance.
Oh gosh, off to the right here too, Beth. Look at that.
That was first was off to
That is a bona fide tornado left. It's on the ground. You can see the dirt blowing. Yep. There's another one over here. Oh, you're fine. You're fine. Hang out. He's happy.
Holy cow.
It's still funneling. That is moving left to right, or right to left. Oh, look at the hook on it now. Wow.
That thing just spun up.
Whoa. Holy crap.
Okay, so yours up there?
4:36, so no, it's a couple minutes old.
So do we need to go south?
It's still 4 or 5 miles west. Man, that motion, look at that, just to the ground. This is a bunch of back here. This motion is incredible.